Take Me to Your Barbecue by Kathy Duval and Adam McCarthy. Whew. Yippee-ki-yay, yippee-ki-yo, I think I see a UFO. Some colored lights from outer space are lighting up the whole dang place. Cats meowing, cows lowing, dogs a-howling, chickens glowing. An earthly platter, huge and round, is beaming, raised down to the ground. Yippee-ki-yay, yippee-ki-yay, a big blue light is shining on me. It's coming down my front porch. I hope my little shack don't scorch. My roof's on fire, rockers charred. Small green men swarm through my yard. Howdy, partner, the boss man beeps. His three big eyes give me the creeps. Yippee-ki-yay, yippee-ki-yay, I think they might take me away. We don't want your leader, Willie, just your barbecue and chili. Fire up the grill, put the beans, chop up peppers, taters, and greens. Little guys eat barbecue, they gobble up my hat and shoes. Yippee-ki-yay, yippee-ki-yoo, green men line up 2 by 2. Willie, we want to do-see-do. Play your fiddle before we go. Greensy two-step mighty hard. They wear a hole plump through my yard. Those little fellas just won't stop. I keep on fiddling till they drop. Yippee-ki-yo, yippee-ki-yay, I think it's time to say goodbye. So long, greenies, enjoy your stay. I'm going for a holiday. Whoa. Willie's barbecue.
Wait. Oh, I guess there's a...
Whoa. Oh, man. The green aliens are having to work the farm. The end.